How to invest on Coinbase. Hey, future crypto investor! So, you've decided to embark on the thrilling voyage of cryptocurrency, and your chosen vessel is Coinbase. Excellent choice. Coinbase is like the Titanic of crypto exchanges minus the iceberg. We hope that this video helped to invest in Coinbase, sprinkled with humor to keep you entertained and informed. 1. Understanding Coinbase. Before you dive in, it's essential to know what Coinbase is. Think of Coinbase as the Amazon of cryptocurrencies, a one-stop shop where you can buy, sell, and store digital assets. Coinbase isn't just a platform, it's a gateway for both beginners and seasoned investors to enter the crypto market. Founded in 2012 by Brian Armstrong and Fred Ehrsam in a tiny San Francisco apartment, Coinbase has since evolved into a publicly traded company on the NASDAQ. As of January 2025, Coinbase supports over 260 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, and serves millions of users across more than 100 countries. Its mission? To create an open financial system for the world. The platform is known for its simplicity, making it perfect for newcomers, intimidated by crypto's complexity. With top-notch security measures and constant updates, Coinbase has become a titan in the crypto exchange arena. If crypto were a movie, Coinbase would be the star-studded blockbuster everyone's talking about. 2. Setting up your Coinbase account. Embarking on your crypto journey requires a Coinbase account, and setting one up is easier than assembling furniture from no Allen wrench needed. Begin by heading to the official Coinbase website or downloading the app, available on both iOS and Android. Once you've clicked Get Started, you'll need to provide an email address, create a secure password, and verify your identity. This process involves uploading a photo ID, such as a passport or driver's license, and completing a quick selfie check to confirm you're not a robot. Don't skip enabling two-factor authentication. It's your digital guard dog, barking at intruders trying to access your account. By the end of this process, you'll have a fully functional account with access to the crypto world. It's like getting your boarding pass for a first-class flight to the moon. Just make sure to pack your sense of financial adventure. 3. Funding your account. Now that your account is set up, it's time to add funds and bring your crypto dreams to life. Coinbase makes it incredibly straightforward to link your bank account, debit card, or even PayPal in some regions. While bank transfers are ideal for large deposits due to their low fees, debit cards offer faster transaction times, perfect for those who want their Bitcoin fix ASAP. As of 2025, Coinbase has streamlined its funding process to include Apple Pay and Google Pay for added convenience. Once your payment method is linked, you can initiate a deposit, but remember the golden rule: only invest what you're willing to lose. Crypto markets can be exhilarating yet unpredictable, like a roller coaster ride with no safety bar. So whether you're funding your account with $100 or $10,000, treat your first deposit like a trial run. After all, even Captain Jack Sparrow started small before hunting down cursed treasure. 4. Navigating the Coinbase interface. Once inside, you'll find the Coinbase interface is as user-friendly as your favorite social media app, but way more lucrative. The dashboard acts as your command center, displaying your portfolio value, recent transactions, and the latest market trends. It's like having a bird's-eye view of your crypto empire. The Prices tab is where you can explore supported cryptocurrencies, complete with real-time charts and historical data. Want to dive deeper? Coinbase provides a Learn section, offering educational resources to help you understand terms like blockchain and staking without Googling them every 5 minutes. The platform also features a rewards program where you can earn free crypto by completing interactive lessons, education with a paycheck attached. Finally, the Trade tab is your gateway to buying and selling cryptocurrencies with a few clicks. Whether you're a first-time trader or a seasoned investor, Coinbase makes navigation a breeze, like piloting a ship through calm seas with a map marked X. 5. buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Time to get your hands on some crypto. Buying and selling on Coinbase is as simple as ordering pizza online just without the grease. When buying, you'll select your cryptocurrency of choice, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Enter the amount you wish to invest and confirm the transaction. As of January 2025, Coinbase's trading experience is enhanced with advanced trade, allowing you to place limit and stop orders for better control. Selling is just as straightforward. Choose the amount you want to liquidate, confirm the sale, and voila, funds are credited to your account. But remember, the crypto market operates 24/7, meaning prices can change dramatically in minutes. Imagine waking up richer or poorer because of overnight market swings. It's part of the thrill and risk of crypto trading. So, keep an eye on your investments and consider using features like price alerts to stay informed. 6. Understanding Coinbase fees. Every good sailor knows there's a cost to every journey, and in Coinbase's case, it's the fees. Coinbase employs a transparent fee structure, but knowing the details can save you money. For beginners using the standard platform, fees range from 0.40% to 0.60% per trade, depending on the transaction size. Advanced trade users benefit from a more competitive rate, with fees starting at 0.05% for high-volume traders. Coinbase also incorporates a spread usually around 0.50% to account for market fluctuations during transactions. While this might sound complex, the fees are clearly displayed before you confirm any trade. Additional charges may apply for using credit cards or smaller transaction amounts. So, be strategic about your payment methods. By understanding the fee structure, you can maximize your investments and avoid unexpected surprises. It's like budgeting for a vacation, except this time, your destination could be financial freedom. 7. Storing your cryptocurrencies. Once you've bought your crypto, you'll need a secure place to store it. Coinbase provides several options, including the Coinbase Wallet, which offers a user-friendly interface and supports thousands of tokens. For those seeking extra security, the Coinbase Vault offers multi-signature approvals and time-delayed withdrawals, making it perfect for long-term storage. As of 2025, external wallets like Ledger and Trezor remain the gold standard for safeguarding large holdings, as they keep your assets offline and immune to hacking. Whether you choose to store your crypto on Coinbase or move it to an external wallet, one rule remains: never share your private keys. Losing access to your keys is like dropping the only map to your buried treasure into the ocean. Stay vigilant, use strong passwords, and enable two-factor authentication to protect your investments. After all, your treasure is only as safe as the chest you lock it in. 8. Exploring advanced trading with Coinbase Advanced. Feeling adventurous? Coinbase Advanced is designed for investors who want to navigate the high seas of crypto trading with precision tools. This platform offers advanced charting, allowing users to analyze market trends with candlesticks, moving averages, and other indicators. You can also place limit and stop orders, giving you the power to buy or sell assets at specific price points automatically. This feature is particularly useful for those who want to trade strategically without constantly monitoring the market. As of 2025, Coinbase Advanced has reduced its fees significantly, making it more competitive compared to platforms like Binance or Kraken. The interface is sleek, with real-time order books and deep liquidity for seamless transactions. So, whether you're a day trader chasing market trends or a long-term investor securing your position, Coinbase Advanced has you covered. It's like upgrading your dinghy to a battleship ready to conquer the crypto waters. 9. Navigating the ever-changing crypto seas. The crypto world is ever-evolving, and staying informed is key to successful investing. Just like a skilled captain keeps an eye on the tides and weather, you must stay ahead of the latest developments in the crypto market. New regulations, technological breakthroughs, and market trends can significantly impact your investments. Regularly check reputable news sources like CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, and Bloomberg Crypto for updates on price movements, regulatory changes, and industry insights. And there you have it, your ultimate video to investing on Coinbase. If you found this video into the crypto world helpful or at least mildly entertaining, don't forget to smash that like button. Like you're mining Bitcoin. Subscribe to the channel for more treasure-packed content.